Hey, thanks for watching this short video. Today I'm going to show you how to get a 44-day trial to the WebinarJam software. Now originally this is their pricing structure as you see here on the screen. They have a basic, professional, and enterprise level. One's $4.99 a year, other is $6.99 a year, and the enterprise is $9.99 a year. Now what you want to do in order to get that 44-day trial is you want to click the link below this video. That link is couponqueso.com/WJ. And what that's going to do, it's going to take you over to this screen over here, where on the right-hand side, you have the option to start your trial. Click on that link, and then it's going to take you over to this page over here, which looks similar to the one we were just in. However, if you notice, each of these tiers now has a $1 for 14-day trial. Now, here's where we're going to use their rules to your advantage in order to have the 44-day trial. So once your 14 days are over, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and you can cancel at any time. So up to 44 days, you can cancel this because the 30-day risk money-back guarantee doesn't start until you finish your 14 days. So that'll give you 44 days to try out the software. That should give you plenty of time to see if this is a good fit for you, to see if it's going to work for your business, and to learn how to use everything inside the software instead of just trying to rush for 14 days. So that's how you do it, guys. Click the link below this video. That link is couponqueso.com/WJ, and you can start your 44-day trial.